we have arrived at the restaurant. Let's go in. 进去吧。好好好，我们不用3小时。OK， 好，谢谢，谢谢。OK， 好。Looks like it's an old building. It's like a super long building. This place is really nice. Alright, we got our food. This is the brunch set, and since we're not eating sausage, we changed that to more scrambled eggs. That's wife got the same thing. The internet connection at this area, this corner here, is really terrible. Can't get any connection at all. I think maybe it's because of the concrete wall. She's trying to get connection. Alright, let's go eat. It's quite cute that they put the butter like that. It's toasted. We're going to Darenfa. Oh, better walk faster. You mean your name is gonna change too? Oh. Okay. 大全联. So it's not gonna be called RT-Mart anymore? Oh, okay. Alright, so today we're walking at RT-Mart, which is basically it's like the equivalent of Walmart in the States and Canada. This is like a grocery store and a department store combined. And they also have Muji too. You see Muji? Yeah, it's also got Muji in here, which is pretty cool. So this is gonna be just us walking through the whole place. It's a huge Muji store within RT-Mart. They have clothing, swimming suit and stuff. And then they got the promotion area, which is kind of huge. They even have an alteration room. So if you buy trousers, any type of pants here or shirt, you could get them altered. That's so convenient. They actually do it right here. So you can finish your shopping and then just come back and get it. There's the textile section. Bunch of shoes. And then right next to it is the home and repairs. I'm in the home and repair section right now, and I found that one downside to RT-Mart is that their signs don't have English at all. So if you don't speak Mandarin, you don't read Mandarin, it's really hard to find out what you want in these aisles. Like even that one there, like all of these don't have English signage. Something that I think that they really need to improve. Especially when Taiwan wants to be bilingual by, what, 2030, I think? They even have massage chairs here. A lot of wellness products. Outdoor section. Yeah, and now we're at the house cleaning section, which is humongous. The sales are... There's like a huge sale here. The prices are good. This area is even bigger. This is the cosmetic and hygiene area. I quite like RT-Mart because the way they make the shopping experience is really comfortable. And they have almost every brand that you want in Asia. Even the sanitary napkin section is really big. You can see here different brands have different sections, and then I don't know about Canada doesn't have this, but in Taiwan they like to display the whole thing like this, so you can see the actual product. This is the sleeping sanitary napkin. Like in Canada, I never see stuff like this, that they just open it up like this. And you can see what the texture is. And it's not the end, there's more Kotex. Right, this is all Kotex over here. All the way to over there, it's still all sanitary napkins. This is a huge department store. Right, even over here as well. Also sanitary napkins. Basically, this whole section here is all for health, hygiene, and stuff like that. Just for oral hygiene, you got this whole aisle right here. They also have a pharmacy here. Here you go inside. Not pharmacy, but they have pharmacy products. And also a bunch of vitamins all the way. Alright, let's see where my wife is. Let's go upstairs now. It's another level up, and then we're gonna go to get some groceries. Alright, now we're upstairs. Gonna walk around here. So the first section here is the prepared foods. They got a bunch of like egg tarts and Portuguese tarts. All the Asian stuff, the good stuff. Got a lot of egg rolls. Tiramisu cakes. And you can actually buy it and then eat over there. It's like a small little eating area. A lot of freshly made food. They also have Japanese stuff. Let's check out what breads they have. There's a lot of people here. This is the humongous pineapple bun. Someone punched this one. But yeah, these are huge. I don't know if you can see it on the camera though. More bread. Here's a fresh fruits and vegetables area, and it's also huge. They also got a huge section for organic foods over there, which spans all the way to the other corner. Let's check that out. Organic foods, flour, fruit. organic vegetable and fruits, traceable vegetable. But like I said though, something that is not too friendly about this place is that there's no English. All of the signs, it's all Mandarin. So even with me, I can't read everything. So for me, it's kind of hard to find things. Like around here, that you see behind me, that is Mandarin. And so it's a little difficult to find things here. Like the smaller aisles, that's really hard to find things. Otherwise, you have to look at the bigger signage. Like here. Olive oil section. It's a huge oil section. And soy sauce. Despite not having English signage, I still like shopping here. We're buying some guava, and here you have to get this number 32 so that you can go bag it yourself over here. Alright, I'm gonna bag it right here. Wait for our turn. Alright, so there's like this self-serve bag sealer, and then you put it on the scale, and then you'll choose your product. And it basically would give you a ticket sticker, and you stick it by yourself. How convenient. Wow, this is the hot pot section. Cool. See all of the things that they have. Wow. You can bag it yourself. It's awesome. $48 per 100 grams. Turtle or something. I don't know what this is. Somebody know what this is. At RT-Mart, they also have a liquor collection. They sell alcohol here as well. I feel like they sell a lot more alcohol here than in Canada department stores. I don't remember if Canada's Walmart or Canadian superstore has this much alcohol, or if they have alcohol at all. I think that there's beer, but I don't remember seeing wine. This is really cool. The ice cream section has these like ice cream stuck on the wall. It's got that winter vibe here. Got the chilled drinks. They're like milk, soy milk, juice is over there. Oh hey, wife's here sitting. Yogurt area. That's about it. The other area in front is pets. I'm pretty sure that I didn't cover every single thing, but for the most of it, I think that I walked through already. Let's go check out the outdoor area. 宠物公园 Pet Park. Everything in here is for pets. So basically this place is like a one-stop for everything. You don't have to go to different areas to get stuff. And they have a huge collection here too. Like one whole section for dogs and then outdoor and also cats. And this last section right by the cashier is the alcohol section. They even have flags to show you the international alcohol they have. Yeah. There's a lot of people shopping here today. Anyway, that concludes RT-Mart for today.